I this is Mommy, and I am Dunah.
Hi.
And
we're gonna read which book?
give me a second to read this.
Uh-huh.
Say cheese.
Say cheese. That is the title of our night story time.
Say cheese. Like a picture.
Okay.
I will get somewhere to be comfy. Is my friend sick?
I am
Dora.
and my friend.
You're making me talk.
Okay. My friend Boots is sick today. Just like Dunah is sick today.
What? Does it really say that?
No. How can we cheer him up?
Bless you.
Yeah. I know. We can visit Boots at his tree house. And we can use my camera to take pictures of things Boots likes. Uh-huh.
A monkey in a tree house? Monkeys should live in trees, not houses. Tree houses. Monkey don't live. But that monkey have a friend. That's Dora. That's a kid.
That's correct. Okay, should I continue reading now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Boots would love a picture of backpack and map. Say cheese.
Cheese.
We are at Star Mountain. Star Mountain is filled with stars. Boots loves to play with the stars. Look, there is Tool Star. Tool Star has all kinds of tools. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Here is a fruit garden. Which fruit does Boots like? Yes, Boots loves bananas. Who else loves bananas? The bird. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Boots like silly things too. The crocodiles are making silly faces. Ha ha ha, smile crocodiles, say cheese.
Cheese.
Do you see more silly things?
Mm-hmm.
Isa was baked a cake for Boots. Yummy! Benny made a card for Boots. Isa and Benny look at the camera and say, cheese. Here is an ice cream cart. Boots love ice cream. Say cheese. Oh, do you see someone behind the ice cream cart?
Yes.
Yes, it is Swiper. Swiper wants to swipe our camera. We have to stop Swiper. Say, Swiper, no swiping. Yeah. We stopped Swiper. Hey, there is Tycho. Tycho will give us a ride to the tree house in his car. Say, cheese. Hurrah! We made it to the tree house. And Boots loves all the pictures. We cheered up Boots. Thank you for helping. Oh, I have to take one more picture. Boots wants a picture of you. Say cheese. The end. Good night.